Hi, this is Jyoti here. Welcome to Jopat Tech Guru. In today's session, I'm going to discuss regarding the base keyword, which is a part of C Sharp. So this is a C Sharp tutorial series in which I'm adding this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and support with a like as well as sharing to your friends. So let us try to understand what is this base keyword. We already know that in Java also we are having the super keyword. Similar to that, we are having a base keyword in case of .NET. What exactly the usage of this base keyword? So by using this base keyword, we can call the base class method also. So whenever you are dealing with the inheritance, that time, if you want some data from the parent class, you can always go ahead and refer using this base keyword. It is useful if a base and derived classes defines same method. In other words, if the method is overridden. Fine. So if derived class doesn't define same method, there is no need to use the base keyword. So base class method can be directly called by the derived class method. I will be showing you a number of practical examples so that you can have a clear idea regarding the base keyword. So currently, as per this base keyword is concerned, it is concerned with the parent class data, parent class information. So what are the benefits? First of all, the code reuse. You're going to use the code again and again. Instead of writing it in the derived class, it is better you take the data which is already available in the base class. Inheritance in constructors enables the derived class to reuse the constructor of the base class, saving a lot of code duplication and making the code more concise. It saves the time. Inheritance in constructor saves time as developers don't have to write the same code again and again. Easy to maintain. Inheritance in constructor makes it easier to maintain the code as changes made in the base class constructor are automatically inherited by the derived class constructor. So it is very useful if you want to access the data, whether it is a variable or it is a constructor or it is a function, you can always use this base. So let us see with an example. So let me open a console application. Currently, I'm opening a console application with the .NET framework. I have chosen .NET framework 4.7.2. If you want, you can just create a console application core also. So just to save the time, I have already got the program so that I can explain you the logic. Okay. As per this first program is concerned, you can see that I have got two classes. One is animal class and second is dog class. Dog is a child class, animal is a parent class. In this animal, I have got a variable called as color. This is a public variable. That means everybody can go ahead and access it. So hope everybody knows about the access specifiers, modifiers. Private, public, protected, and protected internal with respect to C Sharp. So here, as per the class dog is concerned, again, I have got a color variable. This is a local variable of this particular class. So now with this particular function, show color, I want to display the color of my parent as well as color of my derived class. Right? So I'm using the base keyword so that it is getting connected with the parent class. So while I'm creating the object of the dog, it has to access both the colors. So let us see the execution. So you can see that I have to give a console.readline. Otherwise, the screen will not stop. You can see that I'm getting both the colors. One is white, second is black. White is coming from the parent, black is coming from the child. Fine. Now, coming back to the second way. So as we have already seen how exactly the things are working with the simple variables, simple data, right? Let me just have a quick modification over here. Currently, I'm having animal as well as dog. Dog is a child, animal is a parent. But instead of the variable, I would like to use the function now. Same function. So you can see that currently we are writing a virtual and an override. Abstract override and virtual override. Override is possible with C#. So override is going to override the content of this eat. But can you see that again, I can access the eat function, which is available in the animal class or in the base class using the base keyword. As I'm already using the single level inheritance, right? It can access all the functionalities which are there within the parent class. So now, again, if I'm creating the object of the dog, you can go ahead and call this eat function. You can call this eat function, right? So what happens here? Whatever the datas are coming, whatever the information is coming, eating is coming from the parent, eating bread is coming from the child class, right? As eating is a part of base.eat, right? It's a virtual function. So it is getting accessed from the parent as well as from the derived class. This is one more way. Earlier, I have shown with respect to the variables. This is with respect to the function. So this function is having a virtual in the parent, override in the derived class, right? Eat and eat, same function name, both in parent as well as derived class. So if you want to access the features of this eat function, you can just go ahead and access the eat, because anyway, here we are calling this eat function, which is available in animal or in the base class using the base keyword, right? Third way, suppose I'm having a constructor, right? As per the constructor is also concerned, we can go ahead and use the base keyword. Internally, it is going to get called. So let us see with an example now. Again, I've got a vehicle class and a car class. Car is a derived, vehicle is a parent. I've got a variable called a speed here. Public vehicle. This is what? This is again a constructor, right? Constructor will not be having any return type. Same function name, same name as that of the class. So int speed with a parameterized constructor. So I'm expecting the speed over here. Now, in this car class, you can just observe that I have got again a car constructor which takes int speed string model. This small model is a local variable which is present here. So this dot model equal to model. You're going to take this particular variable and assign it. But again, you can just observe that we are interested in the base of speed also. What do you mean by base of speed? The speed variable is present only here in the vehicle. So I want to access that. So how to access it? We have got base of speed. Base of speed, right? So here currently this int speed is going to take the speed from the speed which is available in the vehicle. Now, let us go ahead and create the object of the car now, because car is what? It is a derived class. Car is a derived class. So once I'm going to pass two variables, two datas, 60 will be sent to speed. Speed in terms is connected with the base of speed. That means it is going to set the speed. Toyota is concerned with this model. It is going to set with the model. So currently we are going to just print that. So let me just execute and show you the output. So this is Toyota and this is speed. As you can see that in the derived class, we are not maintaining the speed, but still I'm able to access it. How? With the help of this base keyword. So base keyword is used in varieties of ways, and base is the one which is going to refer to the parent class. So this is all about your base keyword. Hope it has given you a good idea regarding how to use the base keyword, what is base keyword, what are the benefits of using the base keyword. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe it. Click on like. If you have liked the video, please share it with your friends. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Thanks everybody. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.